Mom, be quiet. You're in the video. Hi, Holly. I'm just hanging out. And, Mom, you should really be quiet. I'm making a video, and I'm going to pick a song because I like songs. And I know what song I'm going to do. Emily Fox. Mom, shut up. Gosh, she's so not supportive. Emily me. Oh, I don't want to do this song. Hold on. Mom, stop. It's not funny.
Get your back off the wall, 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 get your back off the wall. This evolution starts when you're moving. Don't wanna step to me unless you plan on losing. Not in a riot, not in for thrills. I'm in a battle, baby, I dare to kill.
Oh, I like this song. That's for Corey. Mom, go let it.